Okay, so we started with the problems using formula method, right? Now we are continuing the same with one or two problems here. Now in this, what is going to happen is they will give us the expression where we have to make it into a equation. So once we derive the equation from the expression, then we will be able to solve it using formula method. Okay, so the question goes like this. Solve for x 3 into x minus 3 into x plus 4 plus 3 into x minus 2 into x minus 4 is equal to 19 into x minus 4 into x minus 3. Are you all able to see the screen? Yes, is it visible? Great. So this is the question. Now here in the question, we have to do the multiplication part. Okay, we have to do the multiplication part of the equation, and then we'll have to derive one equation from this complete question. Okay, so let us start solving it. Now, first we are going to take this expression 3 into x minus 3 into x plus 4. Okay, so this is the first equation or first expression that we are going to consider. Okay, so firstly what you're supposed to do is multiply these two, and then we will multiply it with 3. So first you are supposed to multiply these two expressions, x minus 3 into x plus 4. Okay, so 3 into x is x square, x into 4 is plus 4x, then minus 3 into x is minus 3x, then minus 3 into 4 is 3 fours are 12, but it is minus, so minus 12. Understood? So this is the first expression that we are taking. Did you all understand the first expression? Yes. Okay. Now let us take the next expression. Let me write down the next expression here for your 3 into x minus 2 into x minus 4. So this is the next expression that we have. Okay. So what are we going to do here is again we'll multiply these two expression. Okay. So again I will write it as plus 3 into x is x square, x into minus 4 is minus 4x, minus 2 into x is minus 2x, minus 2 into 4 is 4 2s are 8, minus into minus is plus, so plus 8. Okay, so this is the second expression that we have derived. Okay, now if you see here 3x, 3 into x minus 3 into x minus 4, we have got the expression here below, and then 3 into x minus 2 into x minus 4, we have got the expression. Now let us go on to the RHS, that is right hand side, and we will solve this 19 into x minus 4 into x minus 3. Okay, so 19 into x minus 4 into x minus 3. Okay, so 19 is equal to 19, and then x into x is x square, x into minus 3 is minus 3x, minus 4 into x is minus 4x, 4 into 3 is 4 threes are 12. Minus into minus is plus. So I've got this expression completely here. Any doubts in this step? Yes? Okay, good. Now let us go to the next step. In next step, we will be multiplying this 3 for the full expressions everywhere. Okay, we will be multiplying this 3 with the full expressions everywhere so that we will be able to get the full equations. So let us start. First, 3 into x square will give me 3x square. 3 into 4x will give me 3 fours are 12. So plus 12x. 3 into minus 3x is minus 9x. Correct? Then 3 into minus 12 will give me 12 threes are 36 minus 36. So this is the answers for first expression. Now moving on to the next expression. Moving on to the next expression, plus 3 into x square is 3x square. 3 into minus 4x is 3 fours are 12. So minus 12x. 3 into minus 2x is 3 twos are 6. So 6x plus 3 into 8 will give me 24. I'll just write it below here, 24 is equal to, now you have 19. So 19 into x square is 19x square minus 3x, 19 into 3x will give me 57x. 19 into minus 4 is minus 76x. 19 into 12 is plus 228. Okay, so after multiplying all that we had here, okay, after multiplying whatever numbers we had, we end up with this equation or expression here. Now in the next step, what are we going to do is, we will reduce this equation from LHS and RHS also. Okay, now if you see LHS, you have 3x square and 3x square, correct? Both are plus 3x square plus 3x square. So plus 3x square plus 3x square will give you 6x square. Okay, now after this we will check how many x are there. You have plus 12x minus 9x minus 12x minus 6x. That's all we have. Yeah, now can you say me plus 12x minus 12x I can cancel? Yes? Yeah, plus 12x minus 12x I can cancel. Now here 9 plus 6 will give me 15, but you have minus sign. So minus 15x. So what will be the answer here? Minus 15x. Okay. So did you all understand this? How am I simplifying this part of the equation? Okay. Now moving on further, we have, let us see how many constants we have. Now if you take the constants, minus 36 and then plus 24. Okay, we have minus 36 plus 24. So how much do you get? Minus 12. Minus 12 is the total answer that you get. Now this is your left hand side, LHS. Okay, now on to your RHS. Let us simplify the RHS part also. Is equal to 19x square. Here minus 57 minus 76. So both has same sign and then you're supposed to add them. So you get minus 133x and then you have plus 228. Clear? So any doubts in the until this step? Okay, good. Now, what we are going to do is we will take all the expressions or all that you have on LHS, sorry, RHS. This is RHS, right? Whatever you have on RHS, we are going to bring everything on LHS side. Okay. Now, let us see what all will come. Just we will be changing the signs here. Fine. So, 6x square minus 15x minus 12 will remain as it is. Okay, many of them are giving me the answers. 13x square minus 118x plus 240 is equal to 0. Correct. Spurti, your answer is right. What you're supposed to do is multiply the whole equation by minus. Okay, then you will get the signs correctly. Fine. So let us continue. Here I have brought down all 6x square minus 15x minus 12 as it is from the left hand side. Now right hand side values will come on to the left hand side, which means plus 19x square will become minus 19x square, minus 133x will become plus 133x, plus 228 will become minus 228 is equal to 0. Okay. Now let us do the simplification. Now for doing simplification, okay, 6x square minus 19x square. This is gonna give me minus 13x square. Correct? Yeah, minus 13x square. Next, minus 15x plus 133x. How much do I get? 133x and minus 15x. I get 118. So that will be plus 118x. Okay. And then for the constant, what do I have in the constant? I have minus 12 minus 228. So I'm supposed to add both of them. And how much do I get? Minus 240 is equal to 0. Okay. So minus 240 is equal to 0. Now I have got the equation. But if you see, the first number, that is A, will be minus 13. So here what you can do, you can multiply the whole equation with minus. Okay. So multiplying the equation with minus. Okay. Now once you multiply the equation with minus, let us see what are you going to get. So minus into minus 13x square plus 118x minus 240 is equal to 0. Okay. Now minus into minus is plus. So you will get plus 13x square. Minus into plus is minus. So minus 118x. Minus into minus is plus. So plus 240 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the actual equation that you will get, and this is what is required for us to find out the value of x by using formula method. Sharath, taking all the equations to the other side, yeah, you can do, but then in this step, if you take it to the other side also, I think it just means the same. You will not see much of difference few times. Okay. So it's better to always multiply with minus sign to show the actual effect rather than taking it to the other side. Your question is right. Taking it to the other side, the sign of the, each of the expression will change, but you will not see the direct effect there. Fine. So now let us here A is equal to 13, B is equal to minus 118, C is equal to 240. Okay, Lakshmi has already got the answer. X is equal to 6 or X is equal to 40 by 13. Good. Others also start solving. Try and solve. So now we have A, B, C. You have to write the formula for every problem. Writing formula for every problem is compulsory. Okay, so what is the formula that we have? X is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC whole divided by 2A. Okay, so this is the formula that we have. Now let us apply everything into the formula. Okay, so what do we have is equal to minus B is nothing but minus of minus 118 plus or minus square root of minus 118 square minus 4 into 13 into 240. You're going to get big numbers. So be careful in solving them. Then 2 into A is 13. Okay, so this is the formula we got. Oh, good, many of them have solved. X is equal to 6, X is equal to 40 by 13. Yeah, good. So help me solve it faster now. So is equal to, yeah, is equal to minus into minus is plus. So 118 plus or minus square root of 118 square is, how much do you get? 118 square? 13924 minus 4 into 13 into 240. What is the answer that you get here? 4 into 13 into 240. 12480. Okay. Divided by 2 into 13 is 26. Okay. So next step is equal to 118 plus or minus square root of 139, 13,924 minus 12,480, 1444. Okay, so 1444 divided by 26. Now next step is equal to 118 plus or minus, what is the square root of 1444? 38. Okay, 38 divided by 26. Now we have two roots, that is nothing but x is equal to 118 plus 38 by 26, or x is equal to 118 minus 38 by 26. So therefore x is equal to 118 plus 38. How much do you get? X is equal to 156 by 26, or x is equal to 118 minus 38 will give me 80 by 26. Okay, so therefore x is equal to 155 by 26 is 6, or x is equal to, you have to do some cancellation. Let us check with 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8 and 0. So 40 by 13. This is the final answer that we are supposed to get. Understood? Clear? Clear with the problem? Great. Now let us go to the next problem then. One more similar problem we will do. Okay. Yeah, just wait a second. Let me draw a line here so that will be easy for you. Okay, so now let us go to the next question. Solve 5 into x minus 2 square minus 6 is equal to minus 13 into x minus 2. Now, can you all try solving this? Just find the equation. Try and find the equation. I will also solve it once you try. Five square plus 13x minus 58. 5x square. Spurti, recheck once again. You're supposed to get 5x square minus 7x minus 12. Recheck the signs once again. Okay, let us solve this. So you have 5 into x minus 2 square, and then you have minus 6 is equal to minus 3 into x minus 2. Now if you see this, x minus 2, it says whole square. Now this is in the format of, excuse me, a minus b whole square. Yes, this is in the format of a minus b whole square. So what is the formula for a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Correct? So this is the formula that we'll have. So we are going to apply this formula for this expression, that is x minus 2 whole square. Yeah, correct. A square plus b square minus 2ab. It is not minus b square. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. No problem. So let us solve this. So what we are going to do is 5 into this x minus 2 whole square. We are going to expand in this format. Okay. So what will happen? X square plus what is b? B is 2. So 2 square minus 2 into x into 2. Okay. So this is what we get. Minus 6 is equal to, now on to your LHS, you just have minus 13 into x minus 2. Okay, so minus 13 into x is minus 13x. Minus 13 into minus 2 will give you plus 26. Okay, plus 26. Now what are we going to do here is, we'll just write a small note in this step saying that we have applied. Okay, here I have no place, but you can write after this plus 26, just write in pencil or pen. Apply a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so if you give this note here, you will be able to understand when you revise or when you get back to the question, you'll be able to understand what you have done. Fine. Did you all understand this step? Any doubts here? Yes, Purti got the right answer. Yashashwini, recheck the numbers once again. Fine. Okay, few of them, Lakshmi has given me the final answer only. Okay. Now next step. Going on to next step, we have 5 into x square is 5x square. Then, okay, before that, we have to get this expression into a format. So 5 into x square plus 2 square is 4 minus 2 into 2 is 4. So 4x minus 6 is equal to minus 13x plus 26. Now next step, we will multiply 5. So 5x square, 5 into 4 is 20. So plus 20. Then 5 into 4 is again 20. But here it is minus 20x. Then minus 6 is equal to minus 13x plus 26. So I have got this expression until here. Okay, any doubts until this expression? Okay. Now, what we are going to take is, we will be taking all this minus 13x plus 26 to the left hand side. So, you will have 5x square plus 20 minus 20x minus 6 minus 13x will become plus 13x plus 26 will become minus 26 is equal to 0. Okay, now let us simplify. 5x square will remain as it is. Then we have minus 20x plus 13x. Okay, what will be the answer? Minus 20 plus 13. You'll have to subtract both the numbers. So you'll get 7. But which bigger number has minus value? So minus 7x. Okay, minus 7x. Then what is the constant that you have? The constants that are left out are 20 minus 6 minus 26. Okay, these are the constants that you have. So 20, yeah, correct, minus 7x. Then 20 minus 6 minus 26. How much will you get? This is plus 20. Minus 12. Minus 26 is the bigger number. Okay. Minus 12 is equal to 0. So we have got the expression where we are supposed to solve it. Okay. So this is the complete equation which we are supposed to consider. Right. So here A is equal to 5, B is equal to minus 7, C is equal to minus 12. Minus 12. Final answer is x is equal to minus 13, is it? Okay, let me check. No, x is not minus 13. X should be 24 by 10 or it should be minus 1. Please check the answers. Okay, so let us quickly solve this. Write down the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Okay, whole divided by 2a. Yes, Purti, that you can consider. Okay. Next, let us apply all the numbers. So minus b square is minus of minus 7 plus or minus b square is minus 7 square minus 4 into 5 into minus 12. Okay. Whole divided by 2 into 5. Okay. 2 into 5. This is the next step. Now after this is equal to minus into minus is plus. So 7 plus or minus square root of minus 7 square is 7 sevens are 49. And then after that, what do we get? Minus into 4 into 5 into 12 will give me minus 240 divided by 5 twos are 10. Okay. Now next step is equal to 7 plus or minus square root of 49 plus 240 divided by 10. Okay. Next step. 7 plus or minus 49 plus 240 is 289 divided by 10. Next, 7 plus or minus square root of 289, how much do you get? 17, is it? Okay. So plus or minus 17 by 10. Now we have got two roots already. So let us derive the two roots quickly. X is equal to 7 plus 17 by 10 or x is equal to 7 minus 17 by 10. So x is equal to 7 plus 17 will give you 24 by 10, or x is equal to 7 minus 17, how much do you get? Minus 10 by 10. Okay, so you can do some cancellation here. 10 ones are 10 minus ones are. Here 2 5s are 6, 2 12s are. Okay, this also can be done. So therefore x is equal to 12 by 5 or x is equal to minus 1. Understood? Everybody got the answer? Clear? Good. Now let us go to the next question. Next question is also a similar one, but then what we are going to do is we will have a little bit of fractions to be added in the next problem. Okay, so let me just draw a line here. Yeah. So solve solve 6x plus 15 by x is equal to 19. Okay, 6x plus 15 by x is equal to 19. Now, here we have to simplify the given expression and form the equation so that we will be able to derive the equation and solve using formula method. Okay, that is what we are going to do throughout this expression. Now try solving this, simplify this equation. We have done lot of equations problems until today, right? So try simplifying them. Okay. Lakshmi is super fast. 6x square minus 19x plus 15 is equal to 0. Good, correct. Now solve that using the formula. Yeah, Spurti, correct. Correct answer, Spurti. Solve